The Aam Aadmi Party has released a list of 4 candidates from Punjab for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. The party has fielded Ashok Parashar from Ludhiana, Jagdeep Singh from Firozpur, Amansheh Singh will contest the Lok Sabha elections on the Gurdaspur seat, and Pawan Kumar will fight from Jalandhar. However, the Aam Aadmi Party has not named its candidate from Bhatinda yet. Remember, Bhatinda is set to witness a high-pitched battle this time around, as former bureaucrat and Akali Dal Sikandar Maluka's daughter-in-law, Parampal Kaur, is likely to contest on a BJP ticket against another Bhatinda Bahu, that's Harsimrat Kaur Badal. The Aam Aadmi Party, who's a part of the opposition India bloc, has decided to contest the Lok Sabha elections independently in Punjab. Let me go across to my colleague Amandeep for more on this. Amandeep, Aam Aadmi Party taking out its list of candidates ahead of the Lok Sabha elections. Help us understand the strategy that the party is looking at with these candidates on these constituencies.
Well, absolutely, Shreya. This is the third list of Aam Aadmi Party for the state of Punjab, and in fact, 4 candidates has been declared. Shromani Akali Dal turncoat Pawan Kumar Tinu has been given the ticket from Jalandhar against former Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi, and their own dissent leader Sushil Kumar Rinku, who is contesting from BJP itself. So there would be an interesting fight in Jalandhar itself, just because only one candidate from Congress party, he is the stalwart. All other parties have grabbed the candidates from other parties. So BJP has taken the Aam Aadmi Party's candidate Sushil Kumar Rinku, and Aam Aadmi Party has taken the candidate from Shromani Akali Dal. So this is the interesting turnaround in Jalandhar itself. But yes, the Aam Aadmi Party has prepared a full-fledged strategy, just because they are contesting all 13 seats alone without any alliance of Congress party. Their first opposition is Congress party, and in fact they are taking it as head-on collision with the Congress party and even with the BJP as well. On the other side, the Congress has already prepared themselves to contest against the state government. All the campaign launched by the Congress party in the state of Punjab, that is all against the state government, against the policies of the state government, and highlighting the loopholes of the state government. So there would be no Indie alliance in the state of Punjab. Aam Aadmi Party has declared their candidates, and in fact from Gurdaspur, Sherry Kalsi, who was the staunch stalwart in fact of Aam Aadmi Party since day one, and even he was asking for the ticket, pressing for the ticket. Earlier, the Gurdaspur seat was vacant just because Aam Aadmi Party looking for some of the other candidate, but later when the analysis has been done by the party, so this ticket has been declared for Sherry Kalsi as well. And Pawan Kumar Tinu from Jalandhar and Kaka Barad from Firozpur itself, just because Firozpur is the constituency from where Sukhbir Singh Badal is a sitting MP, and Akali Dal is having a very strong hold, and that is the reason Kaka Barad was given the ticket from Firozpur itself. So Aam Aadmi Party collectively encapsulated their campaign, declared all the candidates. So now they are escalating the campaign. They are focusing on the campaign, and Bhagwant Mann has prepared the strategy that he will be spending 3 days to each constituency to support the candidate for the campaign. Yes,